CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE. Unit 3, multiple integrals. Lesson 9, triple integrals. Triple integrals. I is equal to integral x1 to x2. Integral y1 is a function of x. y2 is a function of x. Integral z1 is a function of xy. z2 is a function of xy. F of x, y, z, dz, dy, dx denotes triple integral. Triple integral. Here x1 comma x2 are constants. y1 comma y2 are either constants or functions of x, and z1 comma z2 are either constants or are functions of x comma y. Now integrate f of x, y, z. First, with respect to z, taking x comma y as constants between the limits z1 comma z2. Then integrate with respect to y, taking x as constant between the limits y1 comma y2, and then integrate the resulting function with respect to x between the limits x1 and x2. Problem 20. Evaluate integral minus c to c, integral minus b to b, integral minus a to a, x square plus y square plus z square, dx, dy, dz, dx, dy, dz. Solution. I is equal to integral minus c to c, integral minus b to b, integral minus a to a, x square plus y square plus z square, dx, dy, dz Here all upper and lower limits are constants. You follow the same order. First integrate with respect to x. So these are x limits, y limits, z limits. So first with respect to x, second time with respect to y, third time with respect to z. Here x square plus y square plus z square is even function. Intermediate level of formula is there. Minus c to c becomes 2 into integral 0 to c. Similarly, 2 into integral 0 to b, 2 into integral 0 to a. You write like this. It is an even function. So 8 integral 0 to c. You integrate with respect to x. Your x square is constant. So we get here x cube by 3 plus y square x plus z square x. 0 to a. X square integration x cube by 3, y square constant into integral dx is x. Z square constant into dx is x. dy dz. Eight integral 0 to c, integral 0 to b. Substitute upper limit a instead of x. A cube by 3, a y square, a z square. Substitute 0, we get 0. dy dz. 8 integral 0 to c. Now integration with respect to y. A cube by 3 constant, integral dy is y. A y square integration y cube by 3. A z square constant, integral dy is y. 0 to b dz. 8 integral 0 to c. Substitute upper limit b instead of y. Here integration with respect to y, that's why instead of y you write b. A cube b by 3 plus ab cube by 3 plus ab z square dz. 8 integration with respect to z. A cube b by 3 constant, integral dz is z. ab cube by 3 constant, integral dz is z. ab integral z square dz is z cube by 3. 0 to c. 8. Substitute upper limit instead of z you write c. A cube bc by 3 plus ab cube c by 3 plus ab c cube by 3. Now you common abc by 3. We get a square plus b square plus c square. Problem 21. Problem 21. Evaluate integral 0 to a into 0 to x into 0 to x plus y e power x plus y plus z dz dy dx. Here appears xy, so opposite variable is z, we have to first integrate with respect to z. X is there, opposite variable is y, we have to integrate second time with respect to y, last with respect to x. This is the correct order. Write solution. I is equal to 0 to a, to 0 to x, 0 to x plus y, e power x plus y plus z dz dy dx. I is equal to integral 0 is equal to integral 0 to a to 0 to x integration e power x integration e power x. So e power x plus y plus z by z derivative 1 you need not write 0 to x plus y dy dx 0 to a 0 to x. Substitute upper limit x plus y instead of z. Here integration with respect to z. That's why instead of z you write x plus y plus x plus y e power 2x plus 2y minus instead of z you write 0 e power x plus y upper limit minus lower limit dy dx. So 0 to a integration e power 2x plus 2y with respect to y 2y derivative write 2 here e power x plus y by y derivative 1 0 to x dx to 0 to a. First substitute upper limit x instead of y write x 2x plus 2x e power 4x by 2 minus here you put x here e power 2x. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of y you write 0 e power 2x by 2 minus e power x is equal to 0 to a e power 4x by 2 minus 3 e power 2x by 2 plus e power x dx 0 to a. Now integration is do integration e power need not write this integration e power 4x by 4. So e power 4x by 4 into 2 8 3 e power 2x by 2 into 2 4 e power x 0 to a is equal to e power 4a by 8 minus 3 e power 2a by 4 plus e power a minus lower limit e power 0 1 1 by 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 1. This is equal to e power 4a by 8 minus 3 e power 2a by 4 plus e power a minus this is nothing but after simplifying taking LCM 8 we get minus 3 by 8. Problem 22. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to root over 1 minus x square integral 0 to root over 1 minus x square minus y square x y z dx dy dz. Solution. Your I is 0 to 1 to 0 to root over 1 minus x square to 0 to root over 1 minus x square minus y square x y z. Look here, here x y appears, so opposite variable is z. So first we have to integrate with respect to z. X appears here, opposite variable is y. Second time we have to integrate with respect to y. Last time we have to integrate with respect to x. This is the integration order. To 0 to 1 to 0 to root over 1 minus x square. Xy constant with respect to z, xy constant. Z integration z square by 2. 0 to root over 1 minus x square minus y square dy dx. To 0 to 1 to 0 to root over 1 minus x square xy. Substitute upper limit. Instead of z you write root of z square, root 2 square cancel. We get 1 minus x square minus y square by 2 dy dx. 1 by 2 into 0 to 1 into 0 to root over 1 minus x square xy minus x cube y minus xy cube dy dx. 1 by 2 into 0 to 1. With respect to y, x constant y square by 2. So this is xy square by 2. X cube y integration y square by 2. Y cube integration y power 4 by 4. 0 to root over 1 minus x square dx. 1 by 2 to 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit. Instead of y you write this one. Y square means root cancel. X into 1 minus x square by 2. X cube into 1 minus x square by 2 minus x into 1 minus x square whole square. Y power 4 is there by 4 dx. One by 2 integral 0 to 1 x minus x cube by 2 x cube minus x power of 5 by 2 minus x into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Common 4. 4 is LCM. So 4 into 2, 1 by 8. 0 to 1. 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x cube plus 2x power of 5 minus x power of 5 plus 2x cube dx. Here 4 LCM, common 4, 4 into 2, 8. 1 by 8. Simplifying. Simplifying. 2x minus x. 2x cube cancel. Minus 2x cube. 2x power of 5 minus x power of 5 plus x power of 5 dx. 1 by 8 integration x square by 2 2x power of 4 by 4 plus x power of 6 by 6 0 to 1. 1 by 8 upper limit 1 by 2 minus 2 cancel here. This is also 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Lower limit is 0. 1 by 2 cancel. 1 by 48.